Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to find all the passwords saved in your Google account using your phone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick and helpful tech tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you see the Google icon and tap on it. Next, select your Google account. You'll see your Gmail address listed at the top. Tap on it and then choose Manage your Google account. Once you're in the Google account menu, scroll sideways through the tabs at the top and select the Security tab. Scroll down the page to find the Password Manager option and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the websites and apps where your passwords are saved. Select the password you want to access. Google will ask you to authenticate using your password, fingerprint, or Face ID. After authentication, you can view the password and choose to copy, edit, or delete it. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can access and manage all your saved passwords directly from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.